Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Planning on attaching that 800B to your sill. What are you going to use?
Well, we're replacing the door. The doors he has now are like extremely old, falling apart doors, and so we're putting thermotube doors in, and we're probably just going to use. But the way he needs one of these, so we're probably just going to use the construction adhesive. That's what we used at my house.
Like a liquid nails type product?
Right.
And so you're going to get that skim coated underneath there and then probably load it up with, like, what would you use to keep that in place? What do you have heavy laying around, right?
Okay, say again?
Bricks. What are you going to use to keep it in place? Do you have any cement blocks or bricks laying around that you can put
No, it's
wood down?
the way the slab is it's already the way that for some reason the way there's already cement there.
Oh, okay.
Or it may be wood. I think in the back it's wood, but in the front it's concrete. So we're just going, but it's really weird the way they have it installed now. The way they have it installed now looks like they just took like flashing material,
right?
And used it. Yeah, and it's anodized. It's like milk. It's very horribly ugly. But anyway, and at my house I had the same issue except for I had a wood build out. Mine was like built out with wood. And so I just, rather than having the painted wood down there,
sure.
I was going to get scuffed up. I just got one. That's where I got that other part for. I could not remember who I got it from for the longest time. I was looking for it, and all they had was these, all I could find for the longest time was those, what are they called? The threshold
extenders.
Yeah, either the extenders or there's another name for them. I can't think of what it's called. But anyway, I'm glad I found.
When you get these extensions down, you're going to put construction adhesive. What are you going to use to keep it in place while the adhesive sets?
It's between bricks.
Oh, so there's not going to be any potential for movement.
No, because and then the door's going to be set on top. The door will go over at about 3/4 of an inch.
Oh, okay. So I see what you're saying. Yeah, if it was me, I would probably look to try to put some weight on that leading edge so that the adhesive, like overnight, 24 hours, let it really set hard. And then, what you might want to do as well, thinking of it, you might want to scuff up the underside of it to give the adhesive some better surface area. And then make sure that the adhesive you use is compatible with both metal and masonry. And like your common liquid nails, I think is okay with that.
Yeah.
So, anyway, thank you for indulging my curiosity in terms of
how you install
it. Well, ma'am, I'm going to send you an email in a couple of moments, and thank you very much. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.